The Central Superior Services (CSS) examination in Pakistan is a highly competitive and challenging examination that recruits candidates for various prestigious civil service positions in the country. To succeed in the CSS examination, you need a combination of dedication, preparation, and certain key strategies. Here are some key factors that can contribute to success in the CSS examination. Create a well-structured study schedule that allocates sufficient time to cover all the subjects. Prioritize your studies based on your strengths and weaknesses. Familiarize yourself with the CSS examination syllabus for each subject. Ensure that you understand the depth and scope of each topic to avoid surprises during the exam. Use reliable and up-to-date study materials and books recommended by experts or CSS toppers. Make use of online resources, academic journals, and official publications. Regularly practice past papers and mock tests to improve your time management and exam-taking skills. Regularly revise what you've studied to retain information effectively. Keep up to date with current affairs, both national and international, as it is a significant part of the CSS examination. Read newspapers, magazines, and watch news programs regularly. Develop strong essay writing skills as essay papers hold substantial weight in the CSS exam. Practice writing essays on various topics and get feedback from experts or mentors. Work on your communication skills, especially for the interview stage. Practice speaking confidently and coherently on various topics. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep. Manage stress and anxiety through relaxation techniques, meditation, or counseling. Consider joining a reputable CSS coaching center or seek guidance from mentors who have successfully passed the exam. Learn from the experiences of previous CSS toppers. Understand that success in the CSS examination may not come immediately, it often requires multiple attempts. Stay persistent, keep learning from your mistakes, and continue working towards your goal. Maintain the highest ethical standards throughout the preparation and examination process. Avoid unethical practices like cheating or plagiarism, as they can result in disqualification. Be prepared to adapt your strategies and study methods as needed. Stay flexible in your approach to handle unexpected challenges. Remember that CSS is a demanding examination, and success often requires not just knowledge but also a well-rounded personality. Developing a strong work ethic, resilience, and a genuine commitment to public service can greatly contribute to your success in the CSS examination and, ultimately, in your civil service career.